Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to delete messages on Telegram. So let's dive in. You open your Telegram. Let's search for our Telegram. That's a plus. Click on it. Then once you open your Telegram, you click on the person that you want to delete the message. So I'm going to click on this. Let me say okay, let me click on this now. There's no messages here. Let's go and search one message that we can delete. Okay, this is it now. So just click on this message that you wanted to delete. Just click on it. Then you see this delete button, delete. And this is, click on it. Then you see this delete button here. Just click on delete and this message is going to delete. Then you can click on delete. So these are automatically delete. It is very simple. So if you found this video helpful, click the like button, share and comment.